welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to another unboxing. So in today's video I would be unboxing BoxyCharm base box for Jan 2021. So if you want to know what I have received in this, so please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Most of you guys are aware of what is BoxyCharm. So the people who are not aware of BoxyCharm, so let me explain you a little bit about this. So BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box. So in this you would be getting 5 full-size makeup and skincare products, and this retails for $25. Along with the tax you would be getting $27, and you would be receiving $125 worth of product in this. To purchase this box you can visit BoxyCharm website, or else I'll provide you the link in my description box. You can just go and check it out. So let me open this box and show you what I have received in this. As soon as I open this box, I have received all the makeup products and the skincare products in this. Along with that I have received a card. So this card basically tells you the individual price of the product. Along with that it also gives you the individual product description in this. So, and also it says about the theme of this month. So theme of this month is a fresh start. So obviously we are in Jan, so it says about the fresh start of this month. So let me show you the product what I have received in this. So the first product what I have received here is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Toner, and this toner is made out of 2% BHA with moringa and papaya. So this individually retails for $28, and you would get 120 ml of product in this. Outer packaging comes in a white cardboard box, and all the product information has been mentioned in this. So let me show you the inner packaging of this. So as soon as I open, so this comes in a glass bottle. This toner is alcohol free, and this is made out of 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates and cleans your pores, and along with that it controls oil without overstripping your skin. So this refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid and moringa water, and also it has papaya enzymes to help reduce the shine and minimize the look of the pores. This toner is ideal for combination skin, oily skin and acne prone skin. So this toner is paraben free, fragrance free, mineral oil free. Along with that this is also cruelty free. So yeah, this is the first product what I have received. So let me move on to the second product. So the second product what I have received here is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. So this retails for $35, and you get 50 grams of product in this, and this comes in a tube actually. This moisturizer can be used in a multiple ways. You can use this as a sunscreen, primer, foundation, and also has a moisturizer, and this also has a SPF 20 in it. So let me show you the product inside this, how exactly this looks. So you can blend this very easily, and definitely you can use this as a moisturizer, because I feel that this is giving me more of a hydration for my skin, and also this is acting as a barrier for my skin, so that I can use it as a primer as well. And this is giving me a very sheer coverage, and definitely I can use this as a foundation for my daily use. This also has a SPF in it, and I don't have to apply any additional sunscreen to it, so which is a very good thing. So again, this tinted moisturizer is cruelty free, vegan free, and it is also gluten free, which is a very good thing. So this is the second product what I have received. So let me show you the third product what I have got here now. The third product what I have received here is the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss, and this retails for $34. And yeah, it's quite expensive I feel for such a small eyeshadow palette. Let's see how pigmented it is, and is it worth paying $34. So the outer packaging looks something like this. So let me show you the inner packaging of this. So the inner packaging comes exactly like a outer packaging. Let me show you the colors what I have received in this. So in this I have received all the matte shades along with the metallic shades, and it also has a foil shades in it. So this is more of a olive theme, so this has more of a, you know, olive colors in it. I have created eyeshadow using this palette, so definitely I have used all the brown shades and along with the green shades, so olive shades in it, so it looks very beautiful. So let me swatch this for you guys and let me show you how exactly this looks. These are the 4 first shades in this. So as you guys can see that this is super pigmented and there is no fallout as such. So definitely this eyeshadow palette is very pigmented and there is no fallout as such. So this is the 3rd product what I have received. So let me show you the 4th product what I have got now. The 4th product what I have received here is the Seraphine Botanical Apple Balmy Glow Lip Mask. So this retails for $25 and you get 15 ml of product in this. So again, this product is cruelty free, 100% vegan, and there is no mineral oil, no paraben, no gluten, and this is hypoallergenic. Along with that, this is non-comedogenic as well. So yeah, this is the outer packaging of this. So let me show you the inner packaging of this product. So the inner packaging of this product comes in a tube actually. So this comes in a cute little pink tube. So this looks something like this. This lip mask boosts the hydration and glow with the protective lip mask formulated with the shea butter, apricot and rosehip oil, and this also helps to keep your lips chapped free, smoothens it, and also it plumps your lip at once. And this is made out of green apple and pineapple extract, which helps to, you know, remove your dead skin cells from your lips and also removes your fine lines from your lips. And this is the 4th product what I have received in this. So let me show you the 5th product what I have got. So the last product what I have received here is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss, and this retails for $18 and you get 5.5 ml of product in this. So yeah, the outer packaging looks something like this. So it comes in a white cardboard box. So let me show you the inner packaging of this, how exactly it looks. So I haven't opened this yet, so let me see what I have. So with this nails, it's very difficult to open the packaging. I am just getting annoyed with this. So let me tear open this actually. So the inner packaging looks something like this, and the shade what I have received here is Unprofessional, and yeah, this retails for $18. So let me open this and show you guys how the shade exactly looks. So I've already swatched here actually, so let me swatch a little bit more for you guys, so you guys will get to know how exactly it looks. So let me apply this on my lips as well. So whenever you go for light makeup, definitely you can go for this lip gloss because it has a very nice light pink shade to it. So it looks very natural and it is so good actually. This is the last product what I have got in this box. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thank you so much. Keep supporting and keep loving me in this way, and see you until my next video. Bye bye.